Right, away we go for the 2 flag. Oops, Lucy. So at the moment Dorset are in the lead. However, I have seen 2 flags won and lost. It's still Dorset. Ah, there you are, you see. Never take anything for granted. Oh, I don't believe it! Laura Thompson, you did that just to create drama. So it's Dorset who's got Central Warwickshire. Dorset are correcting quick. No, they haven't given the hand over yet. For goodness sake, woman, get on your horse. Pass it over. Right, Emma's away now. Emma's being chased. No, she's made a pig's ear of it too. And it's Dorset. Oh, Janet, couldn't you just? Here comes the final rider for Dorset. For goodness sake, get this right. Oh, Libby, it was worth a try. And if you'd done it, actually, you would have won it.